Hey guys, it's me, back again with 2010 Topps Calm Blaster Break. I will have Blaster Box Break. I'll have 4 of these coming up. So I'll just go ahead and show you the layout so you know where everything's going. Have all the base from the first one, the refractors and the X-fractors of the first one. Then that really nice Jair Jurrjens purple refractor I pulled from the Braves PC on that first one. So yeah, first one. With my trusty knife that I cut myself with last time I tried to open a box. Didn't cut it all the way. That didn't either. Okay, maybe I need a better knife. Okay. So here's a blaster box. Blaster number 1. There should be 8 packs right here. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 10 packs. Alright, first pack. Derek Lee. X-fractor of Matt Kemp. Cesar Valdez rookie. And Eric Young Jr. rookie. Put the X-fractor in that pile. The base over there. Next pack. Miguel Cabrera. Andrew Cashner rookie card refractor. Carlos Quentin and Wade Davis rookie. Alright, I'm going to scoot some of this stuff back. Pack number 3. Jared Weaver. X-fractor Jason Bay. That's nice. Ivan Nova rookie. And Jenry Mejia rookie. The X-fractor over there. The base over here. So this is pack number 4. All this stuff is for trade to sell unless I say otherwise. Carlos Zambrano base. Ryan Zimmerman base. Oh, that's pretty nice. Mike Stanton rookie. And John Ely, Ely rookie. Pretty nice on the Stanton there. Actually, I'll go ahead and set that aside to be sleeved. This is pack 5, I believe. Wandy Rodriguez or Wandy Rodriguez. Shane Victorino X-fractor. Put that over there. Alfonso Soriano and Todd Helton. Pack number 6. Yeah. Josh Hamilton. Hunter Pence refractor. Jair Jurrjens base. And Adam Land base. This is packed over there in the other pile. These will take a little while to upload, so there may be some tomorrow. Seeing as how I'm already 4.5 minutes in. Yeah, these will take a while. Checklist. Thought that was a red for a minute. Ichiro, Jim Lincecum, Justin Upton, and Hisanori Takahashi. Sorry about that. I accidentally hit the camera with my wrist. Last pack in box number 1. I really like to pull an auto out of this stuff. CC Sabathia, Brian Anderson, Refractor rookie, Tommy Manzella rookie, and Justin Morneau base. So that's it for blaster number 1. Recap. I'll just recap the nicer cards. Refractors, Brian Anderson rookie, Brian Anderson rookie, Hunter Pence, and Andrew Cashner rookie. X-Fractors, Shane Victorino, Jason Bay, and Matt Kemp. So yeah guys, let me know if you're interested in all that stuff. And box number 2 will be up, or box number 1. Yeah, box number 2 will be up shortly after this, hopefully. So yeah guys, see ya.